Hey guys, what's up here? I this, I've been, in coughing, and sneezing. I was sneezing five, I was sneezing five times, and I got some pictures, coloring book, coloring book, coloring book for Jesse, for kids. Okay. Let's knock on the door. Yeah, hang on. Him. I got something for you.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, we got some more. Oh, look at that. Look, Benny's calling him already.
Yeah, he's calling already. He's excited.
Of course he is.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
Here, let me get closer to it. Wow, that's cool. Hi, kid.
You say hi?
How are you? And Jonah's calling me. Hey, I'll bring some calling pages tomorrow, right? All right.
Hey, thanks, Billy.
You all goodbye. So yeah, my mom's been vacuum that freezer, refrigerator, that freezer. Today, I going shopping today at Walmart. How's that coming from, Mom? Did you vacuum it? Did you? Let me see what's clean enough, Mom.
It's getting there.
Get a clean refrigerator, right, Mom? Brush it, Mom.
I need my brush.
Yeah.
What if I take this out?
Take this out? Yeah. So on time.
Yeah, we can't take that out.
I'm clean, Mom.
Working on it, Lily.
You know. So, I've been over watching TV a lot. William Thomas, Thomas. Why, Mom?
A rag.
Rag?
Yeah, one of them color ones.
A rag ones?
Yeah.
Out in this store?
The second floor.
Is that door right there?
Yeah. Give me a rag.
A blue one?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. So yeah, we make cleaning out. There's the refrigerator.
Clean out the freezer.
Freezer.
Yeah.
Refrigerator.
Will you plug my shop back in?
Shop vacuum in?
Yeah.
Sure, I can.
Thank you.
Plug back in?
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, we'll plug it in. There we go. There you go. So I'll plug it in. Here we go.
Can you turn it on for Mom, bro?
Sure, let's do it. Yeah? Yes, I can. Right? I know.
Hey, you wanna wipe that down?
Right down, Cap.
You wipe that down. I'll get this one.
I get you, Tim. Oh, yeah. Third off there. Third.
Not better.
Better. There you go. How's that one? Right? Alright. Alright, thanks, well. I know. I know. Huh? Alright, doing 7? Alright. I know.
That's a good way to help me.
Yeah, Mom, yeah, no, yeah, good job. That's in. That's good. Yes, that's him, Mom. Yeah. Alright. It's okay, Bella. Done? Sorry, Mom. You may not bother you.